Hello and welcome to the Newport News Public Library Baking Show. My name is Candice and joining me again today is my lovely assistant Anne.
Hi Newport News. Today we are going to be baking Piñata Cupcakes.
To make Piñata Cupcakes, first we're going to start by making a yellow cake. And step one is you're going to cream together 2 cups of sugar and 2 sticks of butter for about 3 to 5 minutes until this mixture is nice and fluffy, which I have already done here. And what do we do next?
We are going to beat 5 eggs, which I have here. You probably can't see that. And you're going to add them in one by one, and each one you're going to mix very well.
That's right, you're going to beat well after each egg. So Anne, why don't you go ahead and crack the egg?
I've had a little bit of experience doing this, so I can kind of get the eggs.
Okay, that was great.
Just letting the rest drip.
After you have beaten your 5 eggs, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into your egg, butter, and sugar mixture. The next thing you're going to do in a separate bowl is add 3 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You're going to mix that up. And then you're going to alternate adding your flour and 1 1/4 cup of milk into your butter, sugar, and egg mixture. Now, once you have pulled your cupcakes out of the oven and they've had a chance to cool, you're going to cut a hole right in the middle of the cupcake. And then you're going to fill this hole with sprinkles, which Anne is going to do.
And after that, you can put it on top and you can have a surprise piñata cupcake.
Now, once you've finished filling your cupcakes with sprinkles, it's time to make the chocolate frosting. So what you want to do is add a 1/4 cup of butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese into a bowl along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and you're going to mix that up like I've done here and cream it together really well until it's nice and smooth. In a separate bowl, you are going to add 16 ounces of powdered sugar and a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Again, mix that together. And then you are going to alternate between adding the cocoa powder and about a 1/4 cup of cream. Okay, and here we have our finished chocolate frosting. Okay, last step in this process, we're going to frost our cupcakes.
Mommy's homemade chocolate frosting is delicious.
Thank you.
You should try this recipe if you haven't homemade. frosting or tradition.
So this is what your finished cupcake is going to look like, and this is what it looks like on the inside once you cut into it or bite into it. Definitely a piñata cupcake.
Thank you for joining us in our kitchen today. We hope to see you next time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.
Thank you.